So, welcome back to the next part of the cycling adventure, and we're going to jump straight back into it. Another place me and Joe wanted to see was this place here called, and I will get this wrong, Mont Saint Michel. I don't speak French, so I've got that wrong. This place is really cool because it's one of the largest tidal islands in the world. And if you look at this video, you can see what a cool place this was. So there's me and Joe. Again, Joe's not looking very happy. Okay, sorry, this is... There we go, there's Joe. We'll make him a little bit more happy. Okay, and with the sightseeing out of the way, we would begin our long journey south through the middle of France. And this is a sight I would see over and over and over again with Joe and his baguette cycling in front of me. So we are now here. We are here at Mont Saint Michel. And the plan is to cycle down through the middle of France, past Lyon, down through here to the coast, through Cannes, and I think Monaco is about here. Now, what was happening in France at the time, and this is 2017, what was happening in France at that time was a big heat wave with temperatures around 35 to 40 degrees. Very, very hot. And so we could only cycle around 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. And once it got too hot, which was around 11 till 4 p.m., more or less, we just had to rest, sleep, relax, or as you can see, we were playing Pokemon. I was playing red, Joe was playing blue. Red is better though. What I haven't told you is, where are we staying? Are we staying in hotels? No. Of course not. Are we staying with friends? Not really. Maybe once later. No, what we were doing was wild camping. We would stay in forests, surrounded by trees and bushes. We would stay next to farmers' fields like this one, and hoping we wouldn't get caught. Sometimes we would stay in beautiful places like here, which was on top of a hill like this, with a beautiful view. And sometimes we had to stay here on a bench all night. It was not very comfortable, not very good at all. And what about food? Were we eating in fancy restaurants? No. Were we eating in McDonald's? No, of course not. No. We're too cheap. What we were doing was we were eating bread as you saw before. We were eating pasta like this. We were eating sweets like these. Tasty. And we were eating cereal. Good old Choco Crack. And our favorite, which we loved. We loved was the old chicken in a can, which is tasty but kind of disgusting. But we liked it. It was hot food at the end of the day. And thanks for joining me for this part of the cycling adventure. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.